What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. Today I wanted to try something different. I was exploring the Microsoft site, and because I kind of noticed this when I was looking through Microsoft Excel, and I guess it's kind of, I never really noticed this before, but there's like these, they actually have some tutorials if you have the software installed. But I saw this on their site, and I figured I would just kind of go through this. I kind of skimmed it, but I didn't really do anything. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to see how it turns out if I just tried it live. So I'll put the link in the description, but this is supposed to be tips and tricks. Let's download it. Okay, and enable editing, because, this is right from them. Ready to be more productive? Yes, I am. Interactive, let's go. Tip number 1, recommended charts. Click inside the data below, and then on the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Look through the charts and pick the one you like. Alright, so I'll click here. Apples, oranges, bananas, lemons, cherries, and pears. Insert. Recommended charts. And then I can pick one I like. Ooh. See, normally when you look at a chart, you kind of want to go with the time. It's not really that good for recommended ones. Because time you'd want to be at the bottom, and then maybe the colors represented the different fruits. Okay, look at, am I already ruining this tutorial? Well, I guess that's just the way it's kind of set up with the data. Maybe that's just how it goes. All right. I'll just pick one. Yeah, because when you're looking at a time series, you would really want to use like a line chart. And then the different colored lines would be, each of the fruits. So you can kind of see, I guess, the quantities over time. Version of Excel has many charts to choose from. Oh, it's trying to sell me something. Okay. I guess, yeah. I mean, I wouldn't have chosen this. It was interesting that was the recommended one. Okay, let's hit next. Flash fill, type Nancy Smith in cell C8. C8. Nancy Smith. Next, press CTRL+E to fill the empty cells. CTRL+E. So that auto-filled all that for me. That's a nice trick. Yeah, because I gave it information typing it in, and it figured out the data I was copying from. And then it just kind of auto-filled within this data set, that's a really handy trick, actually. So you don't have to manually type Andy North, Dave Ludwig. That's a good one. CTRL+E. That was a really good one. Co-authoring. Upload an Excel file to OneDrive.com, share it, and then everyone can edit the file at the same time. Oh, so this is kind of like Google Sheets. I went over one of this in one of my videos, but yeah, so this is the same functionality because normally in an Excel sheet it's one person at a time, but this is a cool functionality. That's good. I'm not going to do this, but but if you haven't seen Google Sheets, I'll put a link to that there too. I'll try to see if I can find a tutorial or even make one for you. But that's very similar, so that multiple people can work on a spreadsheet at the same time. Pivot tables. This pivot table row labels and column labels are very specific. Click the pivot table and then on design. Design, you see when you click on a pivot table, this extra tab shows up. Report layout. Show in tabular form. Yeah, it does look better. And the last one's the if function. Ooh, I want to take my time on this, but I'm about to run out of time. Yeah, this was pretty interesting. I'll put the link for this in the description.